Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Saktya karma navidyansa jatha kudbanti bharata kujyat vidyangsa तथा अशक्त चिकित्सु लोक संग्रहम. There are two classes of men: Vidyan, learned, and the fools, not learned, may not be fools. Human beings, they are, of course, very intelligent than the animals, but amongst themselves there are more intelligent, less intelligent. On the whole, they are more intelligent than the animals. So far, intelligence is concerned in the matter of considering eating, sleeping, sex and defense, that is equal, either in the animal or in the human being. It doesn't require any education. If the dog knows how to use sex life, it doesn't require a Freud's philosophy. But the rascal human society, they are thinking, and here is a big philosopher is writing about sex. This is going on. Eating, simple eating, here is land. You work little, get your food grains produced, and you can sumptuously eat. But it doesn't require a scientific slaughterhouse for bringing big cows and live in the city at the cost of the life of the poor. And this is misuse of intelligence. This is not intelligence. Therefore, a devotee who is actually intelligent, they should show the way how our intelligence can be utilized. That is explained here. Sakta karmani avidyangsa. Avidyangsa, fools, men with poor fund of knowledge, they have discovered so many lines of activities, simply foolishness. The modern civilization, the so-called advancement of civilization, is, I want to say, planned by the Abhiddhanks, men with poor fund of knowledge. They are not advancement of civilization. Therefore, they do not believe in the transmigration of the soul. They do not believe. Avoid the major issue. And they are planning in this life they will live for 50 or 60 years, making big plans. Sakta, being materially attached. Sakta, karmani, and discovering new methods of engagement. Avidyanga. They do not know how to engage one's brain and talent. That we have discussed the other day. that pravittincha nivittincha navidu asura jana. In which way we have to engage our brain and talent, they do not know. That is the difference between a devata and a asur. Asur does not know. Asur thinks that he will live forever and let him prepare big plans for material comfort. This is Asuric civilization. He will not be allowed to stay here. The kalam asasatam, it is the place for suffering, so that we can understand our position. But these fools, they do not take this suffering into consideration. They are making plans for more suffering. This is foolish civilization. They cannot, the so-called scientists, they are talking jugglery of words, advancement, as we are discussing this morning. Any intelligent can ask, so what you have solved, what kind of solution you have made of this problem of birth, death, old age and disease? Have you solved this problem? That they will not say yes. Yes, we are trying. After millions of years, it may be possible. That is also it may be, that we shall live forever. They say like that. Now who is going to live for millions of years to see, to confirm your proposal? Everyone will be finished within 50, 60 years. You rascal, you also will be finished. And who is going to see your result and action? So this is going on. Therefore, it is the duty of the intelligent person to show the way of living.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare